Alright, let's have a little experiment here. So, this is a vanilla minecart unloader. It works by having a hopper that funnels down into this wooden storage crate, which already contains sand from my previous tests. And while this comparator is on, which is to say while something is in this hopper, this torch turns off, this thing turns off, this rail turns off, which means the rail is off as long as there's something in the hopper, which means as long as the hopper is unloading the minecart, the rail is off and the cart is paused. As soon as the rail turns back on, the cart will go right back. This is the same thing again, however, using two extracting conveyors to just reduce the time that it takes. And funneling into these chutes, which go down here, down here, down here, and into the crate, meaning that this should extract much faster. The redstone logic behind it is exactly the same. There's a comparator here which reads out the hopper inside there, which turns off that, and thus this. These two conveyors are not connected to any redstone. They will just keep pumping out until there's no more items. This will be definitely noisier because chutes tend to be noisy. Now, to test all this, I have two carts here. One contains sand and the other also contains sand. And to start the whole thing, I have a redstone chain that gets delayed into a wire. This reminds me, I need to do like a proper delay machine or something in IE, I don't know. Into a wire that goes over here, comes out up the top here, does another delay, and then goes into the lamp, meaning as soon as the lamp turns on, the two carts will go, and as soon as the carts go, I will start the stopwatch that I have on me. Now, to get ourselves ready for this, I will press the button and then start the stopwatch as soon as the light turns on. So there's the button. And there's the stopwatch. Now, you can see and potentially hear that the chutes are indeed a lot noisier. However, that unloaded in 8.75 seconds. And now we'll wait for the other card to come back, which will definitely take a little bit longer, given my previous experience with this. About 30 seconds-ish, I think. I think it's about 30 seconds to take a full stack of items. Yup, that was 29 seconds. So, that thing, 8.75. That thing, 29 seconds. Meaning, this little arrangement here is like more than 3 times the speed. And admittedly, that is with the conveyors configured to be very fast. So they were set to every 4 ticks. I think by default they're on every 8. And then you up them to 16, 20, and then you can take them down to every 4 ticks. That also means this is a lot more resource intensive, obviously, because it ticks quite frequently. And also it spawns a bunch of item entities that then clonk through here. And anyone who's ever worked with chutes before knows that you don't want to get trapped in them, which I have successfully done. Luckily, I'm in creative mode. So yeah, I mean, don't fall into it, I guess. But apart from that, yeah, this is basically just a really cool upgrade to a vanilla cart unloader, and will now forever serve as an excuse for me to not add a cart unloader to IE. And that's that. Thank you.